Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about rational numbers. So rational numbers are denoted by the letter Q. So before going to the rational numbers, we will see some of the number systems classifications. Here, in the numbers, complex numbers are classified as two types, real numbers and imaginary numbers. In real numbers, we have rational numbers, irrational numbers, integers, whole numbers, and the natural numbers. In this, integers are denoted by the letter Z. The range of the integers are negative values and the 0 and positive values. And if we take the whole numbers are denoted by the letter W. The range is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. These numbers not includes negative values. And the natural numbers are denoted by the letter N. In natural numbers, these natural numbers not includes 0 as well as the negative values. The range is only from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, positive numbers only. Now, if you see the definition of the rational numbers, any number that can be written in the form of fraction p by q with integers is a rational number. So here it is p, any number can be written in the form of p by q is called as a rational number. So here p is called as a numerator and the q is called as a denominator, and both should be integers here, and q is not equal to 0. This we should remember. Now if we take some of the examples, 2 by 5 is a rational number, minus 10 by 12 is also a rational number, minus 2 by 7 is also a rational number. Okay, the integer can be negative values or 0 and the positive values also here, but q should not be equal to 0. Denominator issue is not equal to 0. Here 0 is a rational number as it can be written as any 0, we can call it as a rational number, because 0 we can write it as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, and so on. So that's why we can say that 0 is a rational number, but here denominator is not equal to 0. Every integer number can be expressed as a fraction with 1 as the denominator. So any integer we can express it as the fraction with 1 as the denominator. So if we take 1, so if we take 2 to 3 denominators as 1, and numerator you can write any number, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, minus 1 by 1, minus 2 by 1. So any number, any integer can be expressed as a fraction of 1 as the denominator. Here all the denominators are 1 only. Okay, now we will see some of the example problems in the 7th class exercise 8.1 here. So first problem is list 5 rational numbers between -2 and -1. Okay, for this problem the solution is -1 can be written as -1 into 6 by 6. It will become -6 by 6. Now -2 can be written as -2 into 6 by 6. This can be written as -12 by 6. -6 by 6 meaning is -1. -12 by 6 meaning is -2 only. 6 2 is 12. Okay. Now, if we write the range here, this is -6 by 6. Here it is -12 by 6. In between, we have the rational numbers. If we write this, -7 by 6 is less than -6 by 6. And -8 by 6 is less than -7 by 6. -9 by 6 is less than -8 by 6. And -10 by 6 is less than -9 by 6. And minus 11 by 6 is less than minus 10 by 6, and minus 12 by 6 is less than minus 11 by 6. Okay, so if we see in between minus 12 by 6 and minus 6 by 6, there are 5 rational numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer for this question is the 5 rational numbers in between minus 2 and minus 1 is minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6. Minus 10 by 6, we can write it as minus 5 by 3. 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6. And minus 9 by 6, we can write it as minus 3 by 2. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. And minus 8 by 6, we can write it as minus 4 by 3. 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6. And minus 7 by 6. These are the 5 rational numbers in between minus 2 and minus 1. Okay, now next question is list 5 rational numbers in between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Here denominators are not same. To make the denominators same, we have to do some modifications of this rational number here. Minus 4 by 5 can be write it as 9 by 9. Multiply and divide by 9 by 9. Okay, so here it will become minus 36 divided by 45. Okay, again minus 2 by 3. Here minus 2 by 3 can be written as multiply and divided by 15 by 15. Okay, 15 2 ja 30 minus 30 divided by 45. Okay, now the denominators became same. Now we will write the in between these two numbers, the 5 rational numbers. If we write, we will get minus 36 by 45. This side it is minus 30 by 45. Okay, now here minus 31 by 45 is less than minus 30 by 45. Minus 32 by 45 is less than minus 31 by 45. And minus 33 by 45 is less than minus 32 by 45. Minus 34 by 45 is less than minus 33 by 45. Next to minus 35 by 45 is less than minus 34 by 45. And minus 36 by 45 is less than minus 35 by 45. So from this we can say that the rational numbers, the 5 rational numbers in between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3 is minus 35 by 45, minus 34 by 45, and so on. So these are the 5 rational numbers in between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Here it is very difficult to write the 5 rational numbers in between these two numbers directly. That's why we have to do some modifications to simply make the denominator same, then write the rational numbers. So the answer for this question is minus 35 by 45, minus 34 by 45, minus 33 by 45, minus 32 by 45, and minus 31 by 45. Okay, this is the solution for this answer. Now let's see one more problem. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. So first we have to identify this question pattern here. If you see here, it is in the form of minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 1. Suppose if we write minus 3 by 5 into 2 by 2, what we will get? Minus 3 into 2, that is minus 6. In the denominator, 5 into 2, 10. Now, again, minus 3 by 5, if we multiply and divide by 3, we will get this third term. That is minus 3 into minus 3, minus 9. And 5 into 3 is 15. So if we multiply and divide minus 3 by 5 with 4 by 4, we will get fourth term. Minus 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. And 5 into 4 is 20. So we got the fourth term. So like this, we can write easily the remaining four terms. The remaining four terms are, we can write it as minus 3 by 5 into 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 6 by 6 minus 3 by 5 into 7 by 7 minus 3 by 5 into 8 by 8. Okay, now if we write, so up to these four terms we have in the question, the remaining four terms we have to write it as an answer here. So minus 3 into 5, that is the solution answer for this question is minus 15 by 25. 5 3 is 15 minus and 5 into 5, 25. This is the one of the rational number. And next minus 3 into 6 minus 18. In the denominator 5 into 6, 30. Next term. So 3 into 7 is minus 21. And 7 5 is 35. 3 into 8 is 24. And 8 into 5 is 40. So these are the four rational numbers after this pattern. Next, write four more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. This is the one of the question. So first we have to identify the which pattern it is. So now we will get here minus 1 by 6. Okay, so minus 1 by 6, if we multiply with 2 by 2, we will get this term. See here, minus 2, minus 1 into 2, minus 2 divided by, here denominator, the actually it is plus, we have to take the minus at the denominator side because it is having minus 12 in the denominator. So 1 into 2 divided by minus 2 into 2. Sorry, minus 6 into 2. 6 into 2 is 12. 1 into 2 is 2. So that's why 2 by minus 12, comma 1 divided by minus 6 into 3 by 3. So if we multiply this, 1 into 3 is 3, minus 6 into 3 is minus 18. 3 by minus 18 is the answer. Next to 1 by minus 6 into 4 by 4. So here 1 into 4 is 4, minus 6 into 4 is minus 24. So like this, if you multiply with 5 by 5, 6 by 6 with 1 by minus 6, we will get the remaining four more rational numbers. So if you want to get the remaining rational numbers, again 1 by minus 6, we have to divide with 5 first. After that 1 by minus 6, we have to divide with 6 by 6. Same 1 by minus 6, we have to divide with 7 by 7. Minus 1 by minus 6 is multiply and divide with 8 by 8. So if you do this, we will get the remaining 4 rational numbers. The answer for this question is 5 divided by minus 30 6 divided by minus 36, 7 divided by minus 42, 8 divided by minus 48. So these are the remaining 4 rational numbers for this sequence. So this is about the second problem. Now we will see one more problem here. So give 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 2 by 7. So for this, by multiplying the numerator and denominator of the rational number by the same non-zero integer, we obtain the another rational number that is equivalent to the given rational numbers. Now we will see for this answer here. For minus 2 by 7, if we multiply and divide with the same number, we will get one number that is the equivalent of this number here. Minus 4 by 14 we will get. This is a one equivalent number. And next again, for the same minus 2 by 7, if you multiply and divide with 3 by 3, we will get minus 6 by 21. This is one of the equivalent number. For the same minus 2 by 7, if we multiply and divide with same number 4 by 4, we will get minus 8 divided by 28. Next again, minus 2 by 7 is multiplied with 5 by 5. We will get one more number, that is 5 to minus 10 divided by 35. So these are the numbers equivalent to minus 2 by 7. Okay, next we will see 4 by 9. The same procedure we have to follow here. 4 by 9. If we multiplied with the same divide and multiply and divide with the same number, we will get the one number that is the number equivalent to this the given number here. 4 to 8 divided by 18 is the one number. 4 by 9 is multiply and divide with the same number, we will get 12 by 27. Next, 4 by 9 is multiplied and divided with 4 by 4. Then we will get one number that is 4 4 just 16 divided by 36. Next, 4 by 9 is again multiplied with the next number that is 5 by 5. Then we will get 20 divided by 45. So these 4 numbers are equivalent to 4 by 9. So this is the answer. Okay, if we see the next question, draw the number line and represent the following rational number on it. Rational numbers on it. So, okay, 3 by 4 we have to indicate in the, here it is 0. And for this number right side we have 1, 2, 3 and so on. The left side we have minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, so we have to indicate 3 by 4 on this number line. So for the 0 right side we have the plus positive numbers, and the left side we have the negative numbers. Right side positive, left side negative numbers. So we have to indicate 3 by 4 on this number line. So for this, divide these in between 0 and 1, there are 3 numbers here. So out of these 3 numbers, so I am indicating 3 by 4 here. Okay, 3 by 4. Okay, and here 2 by 4 Here it is 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. If we do again it here it is 4 by 4. Here it is 4 by 4. Then it will become 1. So that's why we will get 3 by 4 here. Okay, the answer for this question is the 3 by 4 we can indicate on the number line like this here. Okay, this is the answer. Now we will see one more problem. So minus 7 by 4. Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. Minus 7 by 4 we have to indicate on the number line. So for this, here in the middle I am taking 0. Right side positive numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. Left side negative numbers minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 and so on. Okay, so here in between the minus 1 and minus 2, I am dividing 3 numbers here. I am taking 3 numbers. So out of these, here I can indicate minus 7 by 4 here. At this point, I am indicating minus 7 by 4. Okay, so here it is minus 7 by 4, minus 6 by 4. Here it is minus 6 by 4. Here it is minus 5 by 4. Here it is minus 4 by 4. Minus 4 by 4, minus 4 by 4, we are getting 1. Okay, so after minus 7 by 4, here we have minus 8 by 4. Minus 8 by 4 is minus 2. So that's why I am indicating minus 7, 4 at this point. So the answer for this question is, so this 7 by 4 minus 7 by 4, we can indicate on the number line at this position. Okay, now we will see the next problem. The points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B on the number line are such that TR is equal to RS. Okay, and RS is equal to SU and AP is equal to PQ. Again, PQ is equal to QB. The name the rational numbers represented by PQRS. So we have to represent the rational numbers P, Q, R, S values we have to find out. Okay. Now here A can be written as 6 by 3. What is the value of 6 by 3? It is 2. So A value is 2. Again, P value can be written as 7 by 3. Okay, here it is 6 by 3, 7 by 3, 8 by 3, 9 by 3, like this. Okay, 7 by 3. Next Q, we can also write it as 8 by 3. E, Q and B value. B value we can write it as 9 by 3. Okay, what is the value of 9 by 3? 3. Here we have the 3. So here 2 can be written as 6 by 3. Okay, here we have the 2 values. So these P and Q values are 7 by 3 and Q by 3. We have these two answers. Now again, we have to find S and R value also similarly. So similarly, T can be written as minus 3 by 3. So what is the value of minus 3 by 3? Minus 1. We have the minus 1 value. So after minus 3, we have minus 4. Minus 4 by 3. Okay, again minus 5 by 3. And minus 6 by 3. So, okay, this is the value of R. This is the value of S. And this is the value of U. U value here minus 6 by 3 is, what is the value of minus 6 by 3? minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. So we have the minus 2 value. So what is the answer for this question? R value is minus 4 by 3. S value is minus 5 by 3. So the name the rational numbers represented by PQRS. The answer for this question is P is equal to 7 by 3. Q is equal to 8 by 3. R is equal to minus 4 by 3. And again, S is equal to minus 5 by 3. These are the answers for this question. So this is about the some of the questions, and the remaining questions we will discuss in the part 2 video. Okay, thank you everyone.